Why do people get autism? Nature favors autism spectrum disorders. Autism is becoming more prevalent because it is good for the future of humanity. Autism is a highly heritable neurodevelopmental disorder, which greatly reduces reproductive success. The combination of high heritability and low reproductive success raises an evolutionary question. Why autism not eliminated by natural selection? New research from Department of Neuroscience, Yale University School of Medicine, United States of America, suggests evolution is favoring the autism spectrum disorder. The study published in PLOS Genetics on February 27, 2017 says certain genetic mutations that are associated with an increased risk of autism, passed on during evolution, because they are associated with improved cognitive abilities. Joel Galernter, genetics and neuroscience professor from Yale University School of Medicine, USA, is the co-author. According to the study, the genetic analysis supports that people carrying autism genes tend to be intelligent, as well as high IQs. People with autism have bigger brains that grow faster, better sensory and visual spatial capabilities, and improved decision-making. By evolution, a species passes on the genes that make their kind more successful while weeding out the negative traits. Genes linked to psychiatric and developmental disorders should be part of the negative traits, as they interfere with reproductive fitness. In some cases, they are not eradicated. The most harmful genes that predispose people to autism, as rare disruptive variants, are indeed marked for removal. It might be difficult to imagine why the large number of gene variants that together give rise to traits like autism spectrum disorder are retained in human populations. During evolution, the variants that have positive effects on cognitive function were selected, but at a cost with an increased risk of autism spectrum disorders. Ironically, the autism-linked genes may be improving cognitive abilities of the population as a whole. When the genes result in autism, that person may have cognitive difficulties like difficulty in communicating or interacting with other people, and also bringing emotional impairments. The brain connections in people with autism disorder are more symmetrical, but not in a good way. The left and right sides of the brain are supposed to serve different functions. The left brain processing things in a more specialized and detailed way, and the right in a more integrative way. That creates denser connections on the right side in a typical brain. In autistic brains, the connections were more evenly distributed, and that symmetry is the cause of cognitive impairments. Thank you.